That was a banger. You see the stylist that did that job? She deserves a recognition. Kai, Mercy Aigbe, she ate and left no crumbs. Like guys. Still, yesterday she lost her two phones. Mercy Aigbe lost her two phones. This was her shouting at her manager like two phones at the same time. Where we are they? Ah, some people say this one, if you be saying a stunt to make the movie trend or to make the premiere trend, the red carpet and everything to trend. I don't know which one is the truth. I don't know which one is the lie. But the thing is, she lost her phone yesterday, and Iyabo Ojo even announced it. Listen to Iyabo Ojo's announcement.
Oh, they are looking Joshua Bawa really let you. If anyone sees a phone that's not their own, I beg you, give you money. I'll personally give you money, I beg. Please, two phones, like technology. That's not nice, Joe, please. Locate me, I'll give you money, I swear. Please, two phones, like technology. That's not nice, Joe, please. Locate me, I'll give you money, I swear. Please, thank you.
Another person that I love her outfit is Chioma Good Hair. This one is coming from Jennifer Funke Akindele.
Mo sí kíní Labake Olododo ká dúró síwájú ẹ̀. Okay. Ó wà gbẹ́jà lọ síbẹ̀.
Money rained yesterday, guy. See Toyin Abraham. I don't know. Some people they're not happy with her dressing. This is her for you, and you can't do anything about it. People cannot tell people how to dress, how to look. This was when Iyabo Ojo made the announcement that Mercy Aigbe's phone is missing.
Oh, they are looking Joshua Bawa really let you. If anyone sees a phone that's not their own, I beg you, give you money. I'll personally give you money, I beg. Please, two phones, like technology. That's not nice, Joe, please. Locate me, I'll give you money, I swear. Please, two phones, like technology. That's not nice, Joe, please. Locate me, I'll give you money, I swear. Please, thank you.
And this would never have been possible without my executive producers. I want to say a very, very big thank you to Film One Studio, Film One Entertainment. A very big thank you to Abazzi, and a wonderful, wonderful one to Alaba Ultimate, who also featured in the movie. Thank you guys so much. Thank you every single one.
You see this Iyabo Ojo's entrance, guys. I know fit talk about and finish show. This is what we call grand entry. Iyabo Ojo really outdid herself, and this is her first cinema movie. People are already talking good about this movie. They are already anticipating. Their hopes are so high. Iyabo Ojo will never disappoint. They trust her. This, da 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 da. Guys, till then. From the clips I've seen here and there, let me believe that she gave us something spectacular and something to talk about. That's being watched, guys. That brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment and share, so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gistlover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting and sharing. Bye bye for now as I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Mercy and Ungwano. Bye.
Dada